marathon meeting. It has been a meeting of three big districts: West Jantia Hills, East Jantia Hills, East Khasi Hills. And we were able to interact with officials from these three districts to discuss few very important agendas with regards to the empowerment of women. In East Jantia Hills, we were able to interact with the police department to follow up on the several atrocities against women, where we have seen that the crimes in that district seem to be on an unprecedented rise. The SP of the district has briefed the committee that by and large, some of the most heinous crimes in that district are being attended to. Two recent rapes, murder, police are on the job. They have already garnered enough evidence and they are in the job of an investigation which promises a deserving result. As far as POCSO cases in East Jantia Hills, we were given the impression that there were 53 POCSO cases registered in the district, out of which 28 cases have already been charge sheeted and 20 are pending and 9 are at their final report stage. There have also been 8 murders, 6 murder of a woman and 2 murder of children in the district. And the police has given us a report which seems to be going on the right direction. We have also seen from the East Jantia Hills district certain difficulties that are being faced by the police department in the matters of gathering reports, identification of perpetrators of crime, and we will duly compile all of that information and send it forward to the police headquarters, especially in matters regarding the delay of forensic lab reports, the delay of other reports, even medical reports from the hospitals and other things, and we hope that we will be able to jointly combat this huge attack on women in that district. The West Jantia Hills Police gave us a very satisfactory report on the recent discovery of a young girl murdered on the highway. Police are confident that they will be able to have enough evidence to charge sheet a suspect, but those investigations are also ongoing and cannot be divulged to the public at large or to the committee in particular. Department of Social Welfare, a 2-month period to interface alongside the DC and the police department to conduct a proper study on this matter. We cannot take this lightly. So therefore we have to address this of the state. We do not even have a functional forensic lab in the state of Meghalaya. We are dependent on the forensic labs either in Calcutta or in Guwahati. The reports of these forensic
particularly for DNA.
DNAs and other, issues are also taking so long to come. So if you don't install the correct mechanisms in place, there will be this free-for-all increase of crimes against women because your charge sheeting is not commensurating the occurrence of the crime. You have to have a system where we also need these facilities. Technology is of great importance. The other thing is that there is absolutely an absence of police patrolling. Police are saying they don't have enough manpower to patrol. But if you don't patrol, if the khaki is not alert, surely sense of insecurity will reign supreme in the community.
We hardly see night patrolling these days. Now with this load shedding, all kinds of people will be taking advantage of the darkness. So we see cars parked on the right, on all the parking lots. Who is there inside the car? Why can't the cops go and knock the window shields and find out who's inside the car? Men are drinking, men are sitting with women. It could be anything. Any crime could be committed. So therefore, what Madam Chairperson said is very correct. So patrolling is an important issue.
Intervention of committees which are formed in collaboration with traditional institutions, heads of church organizations, youth are giving them huge head up. They are able now to move ahead and find out more details on crime. In fact, West Jaintia Hills has given us a very good presentation where they have even instituted a help desk. They've instituted committees. So these are the good practices that some districts are following. But these have to be emulated in other districts as well.